Hey guys, welcome back to my channel this afternoon. I have here with me the MIMCO Echo backpack. Now I popped up some pictures of this bag today on Instagram and I immediately got people asking me about packing videos, and I've got a few other friends who are curious about this bag, so I thought I would go ahead and do a review and a packing video for you guys today. I only got this yesterday. I packed it up today to take out with my 4 younger children. So I have a 9, 8, 5 and 2.5-year-old. Now this isn't a nappy bag, this is just a strict backpack, and this is kind of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for lightweight backpacks now that aren't necessarily nappy style orientated, because Clara is getting older and I just kind of want the lightweight kind of option. So this is a very nice quality little backpack from the Australian company MIMCO, and this is in the olive with gold hardware. I saw this online and decided to look at it in store, and I really liked the look of it. I like the feel of it. This is a nylon material on the outside, very wipeable, very lightweight, as I've probably said 3 times now, and very simple backpack. It does have a really nice opening on the top here, which you'll see when I go into the inside of the bag. It also has a zipper here with really long, this is like a synthetic leather, faux leather zipper pull, and it's awesome. I love how long they are, because especially for the top opening has the same zipper pull and it makes it so easy to open. And this pocket goes all the way across, and it is quite easy to open and close. On the back here, you do have some really nice backpack straps. These are a nice thickness, they're a nice width apart. You've got a nice solid grab handle that has a nice kind of shiny PU leather coating on one side and then the olive on the other. And this is a really pretty olive green, it's just gorgeous. And it's the kind of the color that's in fad right now, so you know, that's kind of cool. So these, as I said, these are nicely kind of just lightly padded. You've got a nice faux leather strip across here, and this is a little bit padded on the back here. And I really like how these are connected on the side here. It's a very nice reinforced little panel, and it is kind of pretty. You've got, as up here, you've got the pink on one side, like the kind of dusty dark pink, and then the olive, and they're slightly different textures too. While we're around the back here, I wanted to show you guys the way that the backpack straps adjust. You have a seatbelt material right here, and then you have a faux leather section panel right here, and these gold little buckles with 3 different adjusted lengths. I wear it on the middle one, and it's great because what I like about having these is that it's easy to kind of even out your length. Sometimes when I'm wearing a backpack, I find it hard to kind of make sure they're both even on either side. My back's a little wonky anyway, so that kind of can be an issue, but I do like these. You don't feel this against your back. If you're wondering, it is very comfortable, and it's just a nice kind of design. You do have the seatbelt kind of panel down the backpack straps as well. On the bottom, you do have a kind of reinforced bottom, which it's kind of like a synthetic rubber, kind of very thin. It's hard to explain, but it is nice because when you pop it down on the floor or on the ground, like I went to the park today and with dirt and gravel and all sorts of things, and I didn't really have to worry about popping this down. As you can see, nothing's on it. If you did get something on it, you could easily wipe it off. This does sit very nicely on the back. I do have some pictures of me wearing it, which my son took, so I'll pop those up now so you can have a look. I'm just going to now go into show you guys how I packed it up for kids and kind of go over the features of the inside of the bag. So on the side here, as I said, you do have a zip panel. Now one thing I will say, the one thing I didn't enjoy about the bag today is because it is so lightweight and pliable, it does tend to kind of fall forward just a little bit. So when I put it down, I kind of, especially if you have the front bit kind of packed with stuff, I do kind of have to push it back when I sit it down, but that's not a huge deal breaker. That's just something I wanted to mention. In this pocket here, I have my wallet. This is just a Colorado leather wallet, really pretty. I also have my iPhone 10 popped in there, but this was either in there or in my back pocket. And then what else do I have in here? I'll have some tissues as well popped in there. But this is a really roomy pocket. It's kind of a wipeable material, so you can kind of get a peek of the inside lining. Really, really pretty inside lining. Yeah, so that's a nice pocket in there. You do have the gold little hooks here. It's just the details on this bag is nice. This is just something I made. I just like to personalize my bags. And just, I love this logo right here. I don't think it's ostentatious or anything. I think it's just the right amount of advertising for the brand. So this opens up so easy. See how easy that was? Because of this really long zipper pull. I love it. It was so easy to open up for my kids. So as you can see here, here is the lining here. I don't know if you can see in the camera there, but it does have little circles. So it has a MIMCO. It has a circle with a cross in it, and then just a plain circle, and it's this dusty dark pink that's kind of the popular color as well at the moment. So you've got the olive green and there's this dusty pink. So let me see if I can move the camera up just a little bit more so you can see into the bag a tad better. I will start pulling things out, and then I can kind of give you an idea of what pockets. There aren't many pockets in this bag, but that doesn't bother me. Okay, so back here, first of all, there is a slip pocket that's padded back here, and this does fit a 13-inch laptop or an iPad, or it's designed for electronics. So in here I actually have my kind of nappy needs. My daughter, I'm trying out pull-ups. I'm trying to encourage her to potty train. She's 2.5 now. I just want it to kind of get moving. So these are 2 pull-ups in here. This is a Banshee nappy mesh changing pouch thing that I got with my Manhattan backpack. So if you want the link, I can pop that down below. But this is perfect because it's very, very flat, and it just has a light change pad in there with a coin purse. Some disposable baggies that I actually used today for rubbish, so that was kind of handy. So as you can see, this is it's so roomy and really nice. You know, you can get into it really nicely and see everything. So just in the center, I just have a few things for entertainment when we went out for breakfast. So I've got a coloring book with some coloring pages in here. Some I ripped out and popped in there. I've got a custom play pack that I got off Australian Buy Sell Trade. People always ask me, the Jujubee Buy Sell Trade, and it was a custom made piece. So if you're looking for these, just keep an eye out on your Buy Sell Trade page for Jujubee. I also have a wipe pouch 30 in there with wipes. I have a 12 little smallest pouch out of the trio set. This is just with some crayons in there. Like, this is a little activity pouch. And then in the corner here, over here, if you can see very well, but I've got 2 drink bottles. I've got a Fugu Funtainer and then a regular Funtainer. So I was able to fit 2 drink bottles in here as well as everything else. Still got some other things in here too. I have in the corner on this side here, I just have a Small Be Organized in Super Toki with a little Baby Olay shopping bag. And then my small set piece with my Mummy Makeup stuff. Okay, and then the other things are in the pockets. There are 2 pockets here at the back of the bag, and I do have my small set piece by Jujubee with my lipstick and lip gloss and such in there on one side, and then on the other side I have my keys. Now this is the only thing I kind of wish that this bag had, is a little key hook or leash or something in the center of the bag just to kind of pop my keys on, because I was having issues figuring out where to put my keys. That's where I put it. If you turn the bag around here, you can see inside really well, but you've got the MIMCO little logo here, and then there's a pocket here, and in here I have my hand sanitizer and also a coin purse with brush and hair ties. So that is everything that I had in my MIMCO backpack, Echo backpack. I did really enjoy this. It was very comfortable to wear, very lightweight. It was kind of hot today, so I got a little sweaty, but I don't think it's from the bag. I think it was just because it was hot. So if you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. I'll pop down the link for the website for this so you can check them out. They make it in the olive and the black. With MIMCO, they only make certain styles and bags for a limited time, and then they move on to something else. So if you do like this bag and you'd like to try it out, give it a go. I think it retails for $229 Australian. They do have Afterpay on their website, so that's how I afforded it. I couldn't afford to just go out and buy this, but I was looking for something that suited my needs, and this is really, really good so far. So thanks guys for watching, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.